Hi, welcome to my Get Ready With Me. My name is Jess, and basically I'm going to be proving that you don't need to be good at makeup to do makeup. You just need to do it. Anyone can do it. As long as you have the patience and you're willing to learn, you can do it. So let's have a party and start with primer. So I'm using this color purple primer, just putting that all over my face, pushing that into my skin, making sure it's even. Now, I use primer again for my eyes. I don't know if that's redundant, but whatever. Now I'm using foundation. I'm using two shades from ColourPop, just so it matches my skin to the best to its ability, I guess. Using a beauty blender, I'm gonna mix that and just gonna blend that all over my face. Just gotta blend, 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 blend. I mean, like for like a good 5 minutes, just blend that into your skin. Like honestly, you have to keep going in order for it to be seamless looking. It takes a while, so yeah. If you have the patience, just keep going. I don't know what to tell you in order for it to look very nice. Now let's go to concealer and crank that shit because it wasn't coming out. And I'm gonna put that all over my eyes. I mean, not all over my eyes, under my eyes, and then little spots that need more concealing, like acne scars, and gonna blend that out. Keep blending, blending, blending. I really like the beauty blender because it really looks seamless on your skin. I don't like using the brush because it looks kind of streaky, but only downside to that, I feel like you're doing that forever. Now let's use loose powder, ew, what happened there? And set your concealer. So loose powder is for concealer, just so it doesn't look all like creasy and shit. Now I'm gonna use pressed powder and lightly putting that all over my face. You know, don't want it too much, just so you're not shiny. Now I'm gonna do a spritz of setting spray, and I'm gonna use my extra fan here just to make it dry. I do this in between just so I don't look cakey. Now I'm thinking, what should I do? Oh, let's do eyebrows. So I'm aware I have thick eyebrows. I don't really need to fill them in, but I do it anyways just because I feel like it looks neater and nicer when I do fill them in. I fill in the parts where I feel like it's kind of patchy, you know, because your eyebrows don't really grow that even. So I just make it even. It's a preference. You don't have to do this stuff if you don't want to. I just think it looks nicer, especially when you're taking pictures. I can definitely notice it. Yeah, looking good. Now I'm gonna use some eyebrow gel to make sure my long ass eyebrow hairs don't move all over the damn place. I notice that happens throughout the night. Now I'm gonna use my Moroccan Spice eyeshadow palette. Ooh, eyebrow action there. I love this palette. Rihanna, damn girl, you made a really good palette. I use this all the time. And I'm gonna use this brown color as a transition shade and just put that in my, I guess that's my crease. I guess that's what it's called. I'm not even sure. And yeah, just gonna lightly do that. Now I'm gonna go with this shimmery color here and put that on my lid. And just making sure that it is packed in nicely there. Nice color. Just checking it out there. Looking pretty good to me. Now I'm gonna go to this bright gold color and just gonna use my fingertip here and press that in the middle there. I don't want a little bit too much, just a little bit of a sparkle. And yeah, looking pretty good to me. Done with that, click. Now I'm gonna go to the Naked Basics palette and I'm gonna go with the lightest color here and using that to highlight my brow bone just to soften it, make it look nice. Remove any harsh edges I got there from blending. Now let's go to eyeliner using the Fenty Beauty Fly Liner to do my eyeliner. Oh my god, please take your time when it comes to eyeliner, especially this one, because you don't want it to be smudged. I take my sweet time doing this because eyeliner is actually pretty hard. So yeah, this took me a while just to do one eye, and then I did my other eye off camera. Looks pretty good, but look at that, I actually did smudge it. I'm like, god damn it. So I fixed it with a Q-tip And I'm also gonna go back to that palette because I forgot something. I'm gonna use this brown color just for the under my eye, just to complete it. I kind of feel like it's naked without putting any color under my eye. That's my sister Ashley. She popped in just to say hi, and basically I told her to go away. So now I'm gonna use this fluffy brush to smooth out what I did under my eyes because the little brush I was using wasn't really working. So I just kind of smooth it out. Now let's curl our lashes because we're prepping our lashes to put on fake lashes. I like fake lashes because I feel like I barely have lashes. So fake lashes just makes it pop out. And I do it off camera because putting on lashes is actually really annoying. So just takes practice. You just pop it on. I don't know what else to tell you. Now I'm going to use mascara, and I take out a lot of the product because I'm just using a little bit to blend my regular lashes with my fake lashes just so it looks seamless. Now I'm going to do my lower lash, again using very little product, just separating them and fanning them out. So make them look doll-like, make them look dramatic and big. So cute, love it. Yes, yes girl. Now let's go to bronzer, butter bronzer. Oh, yes, I had to add that in. It smells so good. I can smell that thing all day. And basically, I'm gonna kind of use it as a contour. I don't really contour, but I do the like 3 motion. You know, the forehead, the cheekbones, and what is it, your chin, I guess. And I just kind of shape out my face like that. Someone told me this gets with double chin. I really don't think it does, but I do it anyways. Now I'm going to blush, and basically I'm going to go a little bit higher where I put the bronzer to make like a gradient effect and give myself a little bit of glow, little pinky glow. You know, don't want to put too much. And yeah, I can see that. I can see the glow, so I'm satisfied. Now it's highlighter. Ooh, I love highlighter. Jeffree Star Skin Frost, you don't know. So I'm putting that very little on the top of where the blush was. Again, don't want to overdo it. I love highlighter, but if I put too much, I think I look weird. And I also put a little bit on my nose. I don't contour my nose. I just put a little highlighter just because I think it looks cute. Look at that. That is so cute. Now I'm going to spritz again just to get that all melted in. Now my favorite part is lips. I love lipstick. I'm using Jeffree Star's Unicorn Blood here. And I think it's a very, very nice color, especially when you're doing brown eyes. And I'm going to carefully trace out my lips here. And yeah, looking very nice. Now we are done, so I'm going to finish it off with one last spritz of setting spray, and that's pretty much it. That is the completed look. I wish I can tell you this actually took 10 minutes. It did not. This took closer to 40 minutes. I just cut a lot of stuff out, but basically it is not that hard. Just practice and you can make yourself look amazing. Look at me. Yes, girl. Yes. I mean, I'm wearing glasses. That's part of the reason why I'm wearing fake lashes. Hey. And I don't think it takes away from it. I think it looks good. So, yeah. Thanks for watching. This is the completed look. And, oh, Instagram moment. Yeah. I hope I inspired you to try and do makeup. Again, it is not that hard. You figure it out pretty much. And I'd be looking so cute. Look at me. Alright, I'm actually gonna go now. Hope you enjoy that. Anyways, see ya.